Hey pack leaders, is here. Friends are protecting families, protecting pack. I want to do a video about replacing a mate, and I just want to save you some money because I did get a new one in. This is the old one, and that's the new one down there. I already put it in, and I was just kind of like experimenting, like dude, like I was putting the clutch in, spinning it. It looks like it was perfectly fine. I want to see what was wrong with it, and as soon as I slapped this thing on, what happens was that the agitator was working, but the drum wasn't spinning. And then when I put this on, you realize that the teeth here was all chewed up. I didn't have to take the basin out. I didn't have to take this whole thing. I had to pound this all out, and it was a real pain just getting it out. And I think I probably did damage it just trying to hit it real hard and all this other stuff. So most likely I'm just gonna keep it replaced because I think I probably did a number on this, but you know, as a backup maybe. But check this first. If the drum isn't spinning, it's because this is chewed out. So I'll put a link in the description of this part and also this part. But yeah, check this first because that was a really easy replacement. It's about 90 bucks. All I do is just take the bolt off, replace this wheel, this magnetic wheel, and this is why the drum was not spinning, but the agitator was. Okay. All right. Thanks.